Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 8. This is Program 23. Lesson topic, Tame and Wild Cats. Produced by Srafel Zode.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you?
Oh, do you want to sing the song?
Yes.
Good. Students, do you remember the song? All right. Let's sing it together. Group 1 students sing with Tola and Group 2 sing with Azeb. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you.
That's good, students. We'll sing the song again later.
Tola, what's that?
It's a cat.
Yeah, it's a cat. Look, it looks like a tiger.
A what?
A tiger.
Yes. You know a tiger itself is a member of the cat family?
Really?
Yeah.
Are there other animals which are members of the cat family?
Yes, there are.
Can you tell me their names?
Of course.
Just a minute, Tola. Let the students try first. Students, do you know any animals which are members of the cat family? All right. Just tell your teacher. Teacher, please ask your students one by one the names of the animals which are members of the cat family. You have about 30 seconds. Thank you, teacher. Tola, can you name the animals which are members of the cat family?
Yes. A tiger, a lion, and cheetah.
Right. Tigers, lions, and cheetahs are all members of the cat family.
But they are wild animals.
Yeah, they are wild cats.
Wild cats?
Yes.
I see. Tigers, lions, and cheetahs are wild cats. And this one is tame cat.
You're right, Azeb. Students, can you identify the wild cats and the tame cats by listening to their sounds? All right. Now, listen to their sounds and tell me whether they are wild cats or tame cats. Listen and tell me. Is this a tame cat or a wild cat?
A wild cat.
Yes, it's a wild cat. Now, listen to this. Is it a tame cat or a wild cat? Listen.
A tame cat.
Yes, it's a tame cat. That's very good, students. Students, now listen to Tola and Azeb talking about animals. Listen.
Tola, Which ones live with people? Tigers or lions?
Pardon?
Which ones live with people? Tigers or lions?
Oh, neither tigers nor lions live with people.
You mean both tigers and lions do not live with people?
Yes, when I say neither tigers nor lions live with people, I mean they don't live with people.
I see.
Students, which ones live with people? Tigers or lions? Tola?
Neither tigers nor lions live with people.
Yes, neither tigers nor lions live with people. Students, say, neither tigers nor lions live with people. Students, say again, neither tigers nor lions live with people.
Tola, which of them eat meat?
What do you mean?
I mean, which ones eat meat? Tigers or lions?
Tigers and lions both eat meat.
Students, which ones eat meat? Tigers or lions? Tola?
Tigers and lions both eat meat.
Students, which ones eat meat? Tigers or lions? Yes, tigers and lions both eat meat. Students, say, tigers and lions both eat meat. That's all right. Students, now listen to Tola and Azib telling me about certain animals using neither, nor, and both. Then you will do in the same way with your teacher. Listen. Azib, which are tame cats, lions or cheetahs?
Neither lions nor cheetahs are tame cats.
Yes. Now Tola, which are wild cats, lions or cheetahs?
Lions and cheetahs are both wild cats.
Good. Now Azib, which ones eat meat, dogs or cats?
Dogs and cats both eat meat.
Right. Now Tola, which ones eat meat, goats or cows?
Neither goats nor cows eat meat.
Very good, Tola and Azib. Students, listen again to Tola and Azib telling me about certain animals using neither nor and both. Then you'll do in the same way with your teacher. Listen. Azib, which are tame cats, lions or cheetahs?
Neither lions nor cheetahs are tame cats.
Yes. Now Tola, which are wild cats, lions or cheetahs?
Lions and cheetahs are both wild cats.
Good. Now Azib, which ones eat meat, dogs or cats?
Dogs and cats both eat meat.
Right. Now Tola, which ones eat meat, goats or cows?
Neither goats nor cows eat meat.
Very good, Tola and Azib. Students, now doing the same way with your teacher. Teacher, please ask your students one by one whether certain animals have similar behaviors or not. Then let the students respond using neither, nor, or both. For example, call a student by name and ask, which are wild animals, goats or sheep? Then the students should respond as,
Neither goats nor sheep are wild animals.
ask as many students as you have time for. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Students, now let's sing our song again. But now, Group 1 sing with Azeb and Group 2 with Tola. Sing after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you.
That's good, students. Let's sing it one more time, again. But now, Group 1 sing with Tola and Group 2 with Azeb. After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you.
Tola, can you make a sentence using neither nor?
Of course. Neither English nor mathematics is difficult.
Good. Azeb.
Neither my father nor my mother lives here.
Students, can you make sentences using neither nor like Azeb and Tola did? All right. Teacher, please ask your students one by one to make sentences using neither nor. You have about 1.5 minutes. That's very good. Students, now it's time for us to go.
Yes, it's time to go.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
You've been listening to English for Grade 8, Program 23, written and produced by Srafil Zode. Join us again next week in Program 24. Till then, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.